Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might find yourself needing to move your BNB from Robinhood to Kraken. Whether it's for better trading options or portfolio diversification, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Robinhood and Kraken apps or websites open and logged in. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that you're on a secure network and have two-factor authentication enabled on both platforms. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood account and head over to the Crypto section. Locate your BNB holdings in your portfolio. Once you find it, select the option to withdraw or transfer out. Robinhood might prompt you to confirm your identity or review fees, so keep an eye out for that. Next, switch to your Kraken account. Go to the Deposit section and select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Kraken will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's case-sensitive and any mistake could send your funds into the void. Back on Robinhood, paste the Kraken wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of BNB you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review all the details one last time to avoid errors. Hit the Confirm button, and Robinhood will process the transaction. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. Once it's initiated, keep an eye on your Kraken account for the deposit to appear. A quick tip: always use the correct network for BNB transfers. In 2025, it's likely still BEP2 or BEP20. So ensure both platforms are set to the same one to prevent any issues. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. Your BNB is now on its way to Kraken. This simple transfer can open up new opportunities in the evolving crypto landscape. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.